Is that a lot? Ah, I feel emotionally connected to it. Hello, my name is Alana. Welcome to my channel. This video is going to be about, I don't know, this video is just going to be about me bringing my hair back to life. Honestly, I don't trim my hair enough and I neglect that part of my life. So I'm paying the price for it. As you can see, it's very thick, but it's also dry. My hair is starting to break off in the front. Sorry, this is just hair gel on my hair. It's starting to break off in the front. As you can see, like I need a trim. Like you can see the hair that needs to be trimmed off. I think you can at least. Edges are like thinning. I've always had like thinner edges, and I know my mom does too. So I don't know. I'll be 30 in April, so I don't know. We're just going to start this journey of restoring the health of my hair. I have been natural. I'm 29 years old. I've been natural since, I want to say, either 2011 or 2012-ish. I was in high school. So it's been well over 10 years since I've been natural. I actually transitioned my hair. I used to get perms. You know, growing up, my mom used to heat style me and my sister's hair. My hair was really damaged. I don't know about hers, but my hair was really damaged, so I kind of brought it back to life. I would like start wearing natural hairstyles and just to transition my hair to naturalness. So I have not had a perm in like well over 10 years. So, but honey, I want to take care of my hair, and I'm only getting older, and I haven't taken care of it, but it could be a lot better. Another thing I've been doing is like I wear my hair natural, like I don't wear weaves. So and I work Monday through Friday, so I have been wearing my hair in like twist styles or like putting a perm rod set in, curling it, pretty much like curly natural styles. But I do it literally like every night, and I need to stop doing that because I'm manipulating my hair so much. And I'm going to try to do a protective style today. So yeah, I hope that wasn't a lot of rambling. Hope you guys enjoy this hair journey with me. Hi. Hi. I feel like that intro was a little rambly. Anyways, today I went to Walmart and I got Shea Moisture. Is the Jamaican black castor oil, which I actually have some and I use that on my hair, which is funny. So I have been using Head and Shoulders shampoo because like when I was pregnant and after I was pregnant, I think the condition actually started when I was pregnant. My hair would just be super itchy, and I realized at the time I thought it was Dove products I was using. I was using Dove shampoo and conditioner, and my hair was just itchy. It just did not tolerate it well. It was just a hot mess. So once I started switching up my hair care routine with the shampoo and conditioner, it stopped itching so much. But now I'm just trying to figure out what it is. So we are going to try a different shampoo and conditioner today, and I'm so excited. Okay, so Shea Moisture. This is a strengthen and restore shampoo with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. I never used apple cider vinegar on my hair. This is the conditioner. So I'm going to shampoo and condition my hair. I'm gonna try to bring you guys along with me at my kitchen sink, honey, because our water bill is too high and I need to start doing that at the sink instead of in the shower. So I just did 1 round of shampooing. It actually lathered up really nicely the first time, but now I'm just gonna go ahead and go in a second time. I just finished shampooing, so we're gonna go ahead and use the conditioner. So I just, my timer went off. I kept this in for about 5 minutes. And I want to show you guys. This is just my hair. Like, this still has the conditioner in it.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Now let's go rinse it out. I just kind of towel dried my hair. It's very damp. But we're going to go ahead and put in some heat protectants. And then blow dry my hair. So I just finished blow drying my hair, and I'm just gonna go take these sections out. Oh my goodness, that's a lot of hair. Okay, so I'll dry this out on low now, in a warm setting. I'm back. Got my scissors, my comb, my mirror, my clips, and we are gonna get this journey started. So as you can see, that needs to come off. And honestly, I haven't been neglecting my hair trimming slash cutting, and I'm paying for it. Like, I have to cut a lot off. But you know what? I have to. I'm gonna do what I gotta do. It's hair, it'll grow back, and healthy hair is much better than non-healthy hair. Cut number 1. Oh, that's a lot. Look at that. That's ridiculous. So this is the progress I've made so far. I feel like I still have to go in and snip off a little bit of the like extra stuff, I guess. I don't know. I think we're making good progress. I had to cut off a lot of hair. It's a little sad. And I'm just kind of like trying not to beat myself up. But honestly, I should have been trimmed my hair. I was just putting it off because I wanted to retain length, but obviously I wasn't retaining length because I was not cutting my hair properly. I've been doing my hair for so long that I'm going to continue to do my hair for so long and make mistakes, failures along the way, but hopefully I can grow from my mistakes and my failures. Okay, we are going to continue the bag. So you guys, the middle section of my hair was the worst. I think it's because it's the thickest part of my hair. And I had to cut so much of it off, and I still don't think I'm done. I had to cut so much off, and I still don't think I'm done. This journey is a process for sure. Process for sure. All right, let's keep at it. So I finally finished cutting my hair. I am sad, but at the same time, I am so relieved. I think it looks healthier. It feels lighter, it feels healthier. Now I just have to figure out if this is how I want to keep the cut. That is not. Anywho, I'm pretty much finished. I had to cut a lot of hair off. That's my fault though, because I did not cut my hair for a long time. And then when I did cut it, it was little trims, and trims weren't enough to maintain the health of my hair. So, like, front of my hair was the hardest to do because I feel like it's so coarse and thick, and like a lot of where my gray comes in at, this area was really hard to do. But I do want to do like a protective style, like a flat twist out cornrow type thing. That was my plan, but I already took up so much time today with my hair that I don't know if I'm gonna get to it today. But that was me cutting my hair. Still am not like 100% satisfied with it, but that is what it is for now. I'm looking like Cynthia, Angelica's doll. Okay, yeah, I don't know, I guess this is it. This is the hair. This is all the hair that I took off. Cut off. That's so much. All the hair that I took off. All the hair. Is that a lot? I feel emotionally connected to it. I feel like I thought it would be more than this, but that's still like a lot. That's still a lot of hair. Oh my gosh. I'm happy though. I'm happy I did that because now I feel like I can really, I don't have a weight over my shoulder about my hair health. So I can go from here. I feel like I still have to like snip some parts off, but for the most part, I think I'm done cutting. I can't take it anymore. I can't take it anymore. I think the back looks really good. I don't know. I just winged it, you guys. I just wanted to cut off the damaged part of my hair, which seems to have been a lot. So this is advice for all you young women out there or older women, any woman out there, to always trim your hair when you need it, because clearly I was not trimming my hair and I paid the price for it. It's giving half up, half down. at this point. What else can I do with it? I don't even know if I want to upload this. I'm getting to get obsessed at this point. I need to put the scissors down. Take a break. So, update on my hair. It is the next day. Yes, I'm wearing the same sweater. I did a twist out on my hair. And this is how it looks now. I will say, it's gonna take some getting used to. I don't like it. But it's healthier and my curls are much more defined. And I just have to get used to the new me, I guess. So, this is me. My new hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If I do upload this, please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next upload.